I'm Colin from NRMA. Maybe you've got some concerns around your battery condition or your charging system. Things like the battery light showing up on the dash, maybe your headlights are starting to dim as you're driving. All those things could indicate either a charging system or a battery fault. Give us a ring and we'll come out and run some tests. Things that we're likely to be doing when we get out there, using a digital multimeter that looks at the battery voltage when we arrive on the scene, as well as testing for any dirty connections that may be involved. More in-depth test that we do is using a battery analyzer. So the battery analyzer looks at the condition of the battery. It also looks at the charging system under load as well as without a load placed on it. And it also looks for anything that may be staying on and draining your battery. So on initial arrival, we'll use the multimeter to do a couple of quick checks, looking at what the battery voltage looks like initially and then under a load, and also checking for poor connections across the battery terminals and across the earth. So simply going across the positive and negative battery post, having a look at what the voltage looks like when it's just sitting without a load, and then we'll ask the member to turn the headlights on or try and start the car and see how much the voltage actually drops. While the lights are on, we can also do a few checks just to make sure we don't have any poor connections under the bonnet between the battery terminals and the earth connections. So for more advanced diagnostics on the vehicle's battery and electrical system, we're utilising a battery analyser. Simply a matter of connecting the battery analyzer to the battery itself and then entering a whole range of questions. So things like what type of battery is it? Is it a standard battery? Is it an AGM? How old the battery is? If there's been any previous problems with the battery, capacity of the battery, so on and so forth. Once all those parameters have been inputted, then we start the test and looking at the battery condition, whether its charging system's working correctly or whether there's anything that's pulling power away from the battery itself and causing it to go flat. At the end of the test, we give you a printout so you've got something to take to your repairer and get further repairs done if needed, or if you need a battery, we carry those as well. So if you come out and you find the battery's gone flat, don't forget, we're only a phone call away.